Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hi students, how are you? I hope you are all well. This is Zinat Miss from Campus 4 with the subject BGS for class 3. In my previous class, I have finished the reading and understanding of chapter 6 and given you some homeworks. I hope you have done them already. Today, I am going to give you something more from chapter 6. As you can see, we're gonna start with the MCQ. MCQ number 1. What should we all do in our families? For that, I have some options, like option number A, do our own work only. Option number B, help each other with work. Option number C, do nothing and be happy. As you can see, I have underlined option number B. That means option number B is the right answer. Number 2. Helping in the home is a dash. That means what kind of work is helping in the home? Option number A, hobby. Option number B, trouble. Option number C, duty. Option number D, joy. The right answer is option number C, duty. Number 3. Where do we spend most of our time? Option number A, in the playground. Option number B, in hospital. Option number C, at home and school. Option number D, in office. The right answer is at home and office. This is option number C. Number 4. Where should we throw litters? In the option number A, in the classroom. Option number B, outside the classroom. Option number C, dustbins. The right answer is C, dustbins. So you have got all the MCQ. Now I'm going to give you something more. FBs. That means filling the blanks. Number 1. As a family, we love and dash each other. The right answer is respect. RESPECT. Number 2. We should help dash with their work. The answer is parent. Our father and mother, we call them parent. The spelling is PARENT. Number 3. We should not throw litter in the classroom. The answer is litter. LITTER. Number 4. We should not make dash inside the classroom. The answer is noises. NOISES. So you have got 4 FBs. Now the true false. Number 1. We need to keep the house clean. This is true. Number 2. We spend most of our time at home and school. This is also true. Number 3. We should not behave well at school function. This is false, because when you attend any kind of function, you should behave well. Number 4. We can help keep the board dirty. Is it true? No, this is false. Because if you keep the board dirty, how can the teacher take the class? So, we can help keep the board dirty. This is false. Now the matching. Number 1. Our family may include. The other part of the sentence is a father, mother, brother and sisters. So the full sentence is our family may include a father, mother, brother and sisters. Number 2. We love and. The next part is respect each other. So the full sentence is we love and respect each other. Number 3, when we help each other. The other part is the family will be happy. So the full sentence is when we help each other, the family will be happy. Number 4, we should behave well. The other part is at school functions. So the full sentence is we should behave well at school functions. That's all for today. I am giving some review. I have given you 4 MCQ. MCQ number 1, 2, 3, 4. I have given you 4 FBs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have given you 4 true false. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have given you 4 matchings. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you have understood them. Now the homework. For the homework, for MCQ and matching, I'm gonna give you to learn them. And FB and true false, I want you to learn them first, then write them in your homework copy. Have you understood? That's all for today. See you soon. Until then, be good, listen to your parents, and don't forget to do the homework. Bye.